Welcome to the future of sales and marketing, powered by Super AGI. It's a new era of business growth.
Super AGI is more than just automation. It's an AI-native growth engine designed to revolutionize your business operations and strategies.
Our thinking AI agents autonomously run playbooks, manage your sales pipeline, and execute strategies with unparalleled precision and efficiency.
Gain real-time insights and predictive analytics, transforming raw data into actionable intelligence for your teams, driving smarter decisions.
This all-in-one solution replaces chaotic workflows and the need for multiple disparate tools, simplifying your operations and enhancing productivity.
Empower your sales and marketing teams to focus on high-impact activities, driving significant growth and innovation across your entire organization.
Set a meeting today to learn how Super AGI can be used to transform your business and unlock its full potential. Discover the difference.